everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you this Dollhouse bathroom set that was sent to me from Treasured Toys. Each piece of furniture is wrapped in paper and there are a total of 19 pieces of furniture and accessories. These include a towel rail, a toilet, a bath with a shower attachment, a sink unit with a mirror, a medical cabinet, 4 towels, 2 pink toilet rolls, a wooden rest that fits over the bath, a cup, a potted plant, a first aid kit, a shampoo bottle, a shower cap, a laundry bag, and a bin. The bathroom furniture is made of very sturdy wood and decorated with water-based paints. The scale of the furniture is 1/12, which makes it a great size for Barbie, Chelsea, Littlest Pet Shop and similar sized toys and dolls. Overall, I'm really impressed with this bathroom set. It's super cute and beautifully designed. The variety of the furniture and accessories makes it a perfect addition to any 1/12 scale dollhouse. Now I thought it'd be fun to show you how to make some miniature crafts to go along with this bathroom furniture. So that's all for today's video. Let me know in the comments what you thought of today's unboxing and crafts, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!